I bought these used Rota grids for my race car. They were terribly painted black and the paint was chipping. But I had a plan for these, so I broke out the citrus strip to remove the old paint. I sprayed it on nice and thick, making sure to cover every inch. Let it sit overnight to let the spray really soak in for the best results. I wasn't worried about the tires since they were 14 years old and getting replaced anyway. This was the result after waiting about 24 hours. Now comes the hard part, scraping all the paint off. Stay tuned for part 2.